So, have you ever wondered to yourself, what's the best lip out there for your Acura Integra? Well, I got you covered. Look, so this is a $100 lip versus a $500 lip. Which one do you think is better?
This one right here, it's a little bent because it was sitting in the wrong position. But as you can see, this is the Type R replica lip for your Acura Integra USDM, right? And it looks nice, don't get me wrong, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. But the only problem is,
if you've seen the other video, we actually installed the PCI side skirts on the Integra, and it makes the car look lower than it is. But if you have a regular bumper with no lip, or like a regular small lip, there's still like a nasty gap. Like in the front is very high, and then on the side of the car is very low. So this is the side skirts I'm talking about.
as you can see right there, look at the side skirts, see? Yeah, beautiful, right? But when you have your bumper on, which is not on right now, it's actually really high up. It's high up compared to where the bottom of the side skirts are.
This lip is definitely going to fix it 100% because it goes with it perfectly. Also, stick to the end because there's going to be a car show with this video. I'm not just doing the lip install, but car show. Just watch to the end, okay?
This is the box it comes in. This is the whole lip and splitter combo, because it's a lip and splitter combo that comes with it. And it's just in there. Okay, just kidding. It's right here. Look at that, man. Have you ever seen something so beautiful in all its glory? Look at that. That's how it comes. It's already set up for you. All you just got to do is put the bumper on and set up some brackets that are right there and right there.
Unfortunately for today, I'm only going to go with a quick install process because it's already getting dark and I have a car meet to attend tomorrow, like I said. And I actually have a weight plate under my car, so that splitter that I want, I'm actually going to get a replacement one from Home Depot and just cut it to size for I could cut out the spot where my weight plate is at.
This is what I'm talking about. See my weight plate right there and the two slabs of weight right here. So if I put the splitter on with the lip, the splitter is actually going to come in contact with the weight plate and hit it. So I need to like cut around like a little C, but I'm not going to do that with the original splitter. I'm going to use a piece of wood that you could just get from Home Depot that should be the exact size, because I don't know how long I'm going to have this weight plate on this car for. This lip is $500 because it comes with literally everything you need, and it's basically a quick disconnect front lip slash splitter. So it comes with these beautifully made brackets. Like, look, like this is some professional stuff, man. Like, look at that. Some real professional stuff, right? So this bracket, you see, let's call these waves. You see how the hooks, you see how the hooks go back? See how they point that way? This is the front right here, right? So front of the bumper right there, and this will be like this, right? And you're gonna have to smoke some holes into it, but it's all fine and dandy because you have an instruction sheets on how to do it. And this right here actually goes to where your radiator support goes, or your traction bar. But I have a traction bar as well, and I found a workaround. So if you go to the front of the car, right here is where your traction bar should be mounted, right here, right? That's where your radiator support stuff is at, right? But since we have a weight plate, we can't put that there because obviously it's going to take the space. So what you do is you literally just transfer it to the other side, right here on the right side, and just make some threaded holes, obviously, for you could thread in the bolts, and that's it. Super simple. So like I said, all I'm going to do is install the lip and not the splitter today, but I already showed you how to do it. Another day I'll do like another video installing this. But if you want to take the lip off, take 11mm socket and loosen the first one up, and then loosen them all around for the whole thing, and all you got to do is just slide it out and you'll be good.
So this is the reveal, not the final product, but just a quick reveal.
Sheesh, boy. Look, bro, this fits perfect. Perfectly fits, man. Look at that. Wow. So obviously you could cut around, and he literally says, since it's fiberglass, it's a fiberglass piece, you have to, sand it to make it perfectly flush. There's just some areas, like there's like the tiniest gap here, like that's the tiniest gap ever, but I could probably just push the bumper a little bit more out, and look, it's basically gone. So since it's fiberglass, you have a lot of play to work with. Just obviously don't sand it down too much. But this is what we're gonna do for now, and then with the splitter it looks even better. And this is the old lip that was on the car. Huge difference. Like this is tiny, and this is Big Bertha right here. Yeah, we going with this one, boys. This being the back of the bumper, how you want to install it right here. I'm just gonna smoke 2 holes right into the bumper and call it a day. And then the front, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Probably gonna put some like double-sided tape around this area just to hold it down. So hopefully that works.
The next day.
We're going to that car meet now, but the lip and bumper are completely on. Like I said, it doesn't have the splitter, not yet. At least I'll be in another video because of my weight plate, remember? But here's the reveal.
Sheesh! Yeah, boys. Look at that. Look how well it goes with the side skirts. You see how even they are? Look at that. This is the dream lip right here. I just need the splitter to complete it. But look, everything is nice and tucked and snug. Obviously, there's gonna be a little bit of gaps like right there and like right here. But remember, this is a handmade lip, so you're supposed to sand it down and fit it to your bumper. But we're not gonna do that with this bumper because I'm trying to get a new bumper, or either fix this one up because, like I said, look at this. Oh, you can't see it, but right there, that is nasty. Nasty. And under here it's all broken and cracked, and yeah, it ain't worth it right now, boys. But let's go to this meet.
All right. Oh my God. So we're supposed to be at this meet by 12, right? And it is 12:09. Ah! But OSHA, close your eyes, okay? Because we got the master mechanic over here with a K. But he's getting his exhaust done. Custom made, obviously, as you can tell. The old one rusted out, right?
Yeah. Harbor Freight Special.
You wanna know why?
Chicago Electric.
It's because he's broke. All right.
Yeah.
All right, so she's sitting real pretty, but again, we're still having that little overheating issue because, like, look at this. That radiator is literally behind everything. Like, there is no air coming in at all. So I'm gonna try to make it vertical instead of sideways.
It is actually 2:36 and we're actually super late, so there's not going to be that much cars because we were trying to fix Calvin's exhaust because it was actually touching the ground. Yeah, we made it worse, so we got to still redo it. We're going to see what's left of the cars.
Sheesh. Damn, that thing is huge, boys. Oh my God. I'm ready to hand out the gaps. Oh, here we go, boys. The dream. T boys. Boys. Sheesh. God damn, Daniel. And you got the whistling diesels. You know, before the fire. It was beautiful, bro.